Hi guys, welcome back again with me and the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add spreadsheet in Google Drive. So here is my Google Drive, and if you want to add a new spreadsheet file into your Google Drive, it's so easy. You can see at the left panel here, click on new and then find the Google Sheets option. You can just click on it or you can choose between these two. You can choose a blank spreadsheet if you want to add a new spreadsheet from scratch. But if you want to add from a template, or you want to use the template from the Google Sheet, just click on the from a template here. So I'm going to choose a blank spreadsheet. And then I'm going to name it today's date. Okay, wait for it to launch. Okay, I'm going to rename it June 21st, like so. And then I'm gonna find this file in my Google Drive. As you can see, here is the file or the spreadsheet that has been newly added into my Google Drive. Okay, so that is how you can add a new spreadsheet in your Google Drive. It's so easy, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching.